am Greta Putz. I am in 8th E, and this is my geometric self-portrait. I drew a photo from when I was younger, and I used Google Drawing.
Hello, my name is Anyota Vilchis and this is my self-portrait project. I used Google Drawings to make all the shapes and make my Google Drawings project.
This project uses geometric shapes to make the self-portrait on Google Drawings. I use many different colors to make it for my face and also many different shapes so that the drawing looked nice and very organized.
Hi, my name is Regina and I use Google Drawings to make my self-portrait. I use different types of shapes and colors.
Hello, my name is Excel Peralta and I'm in 8C. This is my geometric self-portrait project which I made in art class using Google Drawings.
Hi, I'm Fernandez. I'm from 8D. This is my geometric self-portrait video. I used this picture from when I was younger and I did this on Google Drawings.
Hi, my name is Paulina Flores and this is my geometric self-portrait. I use the app called Google Drawings and the tool called Polyline to make the figures and the shapes.
This is the real photo of my actual project that I did in Google Drawings.
Hi, my name is Angela Lopez and this is my project. Here's the picture, like my picture, and here's the drawing I made from that picture. I used like different tones for the hair and for the skin tone.
Hi, I am Patricia Bloch. I am from 8E and this is my Google Drawings art show project.
I'm Carol Oregon and this is my self-portrait project. I did it with the polyline option in Google Drawings to make the geometric shapes.
Hello, my name is Alessandra Treviño Villarreal and this is my art project and I use Google Drawings.
This is my Google Drawing. At first it was hard to get these shapes right, but then once I got the hang of it, it became pretty simple.
Hello, my name is Bernardo Hernandez and here is my project that I made in Google Drawings about my self-portrait.
Hello, I'm Emiliano Aros and here is my self-portrait. I use Google Drawings and use different types of shapes.
Hello, I'm Sneo Ponce and this is my geometric shapes project. This is the original picture and this is the one that I made with geometric shapes.
Hi, I'm Oscar Villarreal and I am from 8th grade. This is my art project. It was a lot of fun, but it did took a lot of time and hard work. I hope you like it and see you soon. Bye!
Hello, my name is Emiliano Martinez and this is my work. I did it in Google Drawings.
Hello, my name is Francisco Martinez and this is my project for art.
project. I did the sandals with tape, cardboard, and used glitter for decoration.
This is my Nike shoe that I made with cardboard for my cardboard shoe project.
This is my cardboard shoe and I used an Oreo wrapper to decorate it.
Hello, my name is Paulina Flores, and this is my cardboard shoe project. I made it with cereal boxes, and I made the shoelaces with a marker.
So this is my shoe. It was easy on the majority of the part, but it was tricky trying to get the cardboard slices at the right size because on the bottom they wouldn't stick. But once I got it the right size.
Hi teacher, this one is my shoe and I made it out of a cardboard box.
Hello, my name is Regina Hinojosa from 8C and this is my recycled cardboard shoe project. With all of the leftover cardboard that I had in my recycling, I was inspired by the Nike Air Force Ones to make this project.
Hi, I'm Oscar Villarreal and this is my art project. It took a lot of work, but here it is. I hope you like it. This is the original thing that I tried to do and this is what I got. So I hope you like it. Here it is.
Hello, my name is Francisco Martinez and this is my project for art. For this project I only use cardboard, scissors, and ribbons.
Hello, my name is Alessandra Treviño Villarreal and this is my shoe project. I use recycling cardboard and shoelaces. It was difficult but fun.
Hi, I'm FERNÁNDEZ. I'm from AD, and this is my cardboard shoe project.
Hello, my name is Excel Peralta and this is my cardboard shoe project. It is made out of old cereal boxes or shoe boxes. I decided to make a slipper because those are very comfortable shoes and you can wear them outside or in home.
Hello, my name is Daniela Vilchis. I'm from 8B and this is my cardboard shoe recycled project. I made it with cardboard and ribbons.
This is my cardboard shoe project. I used cardboard, string, and markers to decorate it. It was really hard pasting everything, but at the end it was a really good result.
Hello, I'm Paula Jabert, and this is my shoe for the shoe project. It's not the prettiest one, but it's okay, so it works. It has shoelaces, this like it's a Converse. It's with tape because with glue look ugly, so yeah.
Hello, I am Santiago Ponce and this is my art project made from cardboard. It is a shoe and I made it from Fruit Loops box.
I made this Nike slide from cardboard. I used a template to cut out the shape, and then I painted it with blue paint and the letters with white paint.
Hello, my name is Bernardo Hernandez and here is my shoe. It is made out of recycled cardboard and it's an Adidas shoe. Thank you.